improper lifestyle and improper sleeping habits have taken a toll on a lot of youngsters, and a lot of youngsters have started showing aging symptoms like dark circles, wrinkles, hair fall at a very young age. So what are the things you should do, healthy habits and treatments a youngster should adapt so that the aging is reversed? Number 1, start doing exercise on a regular basis, which is the most anti-aging solution. Number 2, drink plenty of water. Number 3, quit smoking. Number 4, quit vaping, which a lot of youngsters are doing these days. It is even more dangerous than smoking. Number 5, and the most important, have a proper sleep pattern of 8 to 9 hours, which will help to prevent these dark circles. And then if you started facing these aging symptoms, go for more natural treatments on your face as well as hair, such as exome stem cell treatment around the eyes, Gurugram, which is a collagen stimulant around the eyes. Go for Sculptra Skin Booster, which will increase the collagen levels on your face, and go for regular sessions of growth factor concentrate therapy and PRP therapy around the eyes. And also for hair, go for, if you're facing hair fall, go for growth factor concentrate therapy, QR678 therapy, or the latest stem cell exome treatment for your hair fall. So just do not switch over to more aggressive treatments like filler, botox and threads. Rather than first try the regular treatments which are natural so that your aging is reversed, and also adapt a very healthy lifestyle.